St. Johns County is fighting a $500,000 jury verdict for ousted fire chief. $500,000 jury verdict is in favor of a former St. Johns County fire chief. It's now being contested, and the legal battle is far from over. St. Johns County jury awarded former Fire Chief Bullard $500,000 after finding the county breached his contract. But the county is now asking Circuit Judge Don H. Lester to either reduce that award or order a brand new trial on damages. Bullard filed suit against St. Johns County after leaving his post in 2023, claiming the county violated a collective bargaining agreement by refusing to allow him to return to his former rank of battalion chief. He had stepped down after being advised to do so by county administration, which had accused him of barring staff from using vacation days when sick leave ran out and of allowing substandard uniforms. Bullard denied those claims. After a 3-day trial, jurors sided with Bullard, finding the county violated his rights by not reinstating him to his former position. Now the county is pushing back, arguing the $500,000 verdict was not supported by the evidence presented at trial. County lawyers contend the award should be reduced to just over $197,000, the highest figure referenced by Bullard's own expert witness during testimony. Bullard's attorneys are firing back, arguing the damaged testimony was actually conservative and didn't fully account for pension losses tied to his removal from the fire chief position. They say the jury acted properly and are asking the judge to leave the verdict intact. They're also pushing for interest on top of the award. A separate dispute is also playing out over whether Bullard should receive additional relief, including reinstatement to his old position or front pay for future lost wages. The county is opposing both, arguing Florida law generally does not allow courts to order reinstatement in contract disputes, and that 5 years of front pay would give Bullard a windfall beyond what his contract required. Thoughts?
All right. Originally, I didn't understand why they didn't just take him back to the next where he was at, because he wasn't suited for the chief position, which is what a decision that they made, but he was a battalion, and I don't know, commander or whatever it was, and he did a fine job of that. So why couldn't he go back to that? So that was, I questioned that, but when it comes to lawsuits like this, it's tough to say without seeing all the evidence of where it's at. To me, it makes sense, the 197 from the county side.
Yeah.
But I like I said, I don't know enough about the details. And when it originally happens and he asked to go back to that position, I didn't understand why, unless there was something personal that was out there. That could have been, but we have a very good chief now. I think we've selected the proper chief in this case. But like I said, I don't know enough about the case to know which way it should go. From the outside looking in, it sounds like he deserves some compensation, but I don't know if the 500,000 is the right number without the details. So, I and usually in things like that, it lands somewhere in between.
Okay.
So.
Even though the jury's already selected the 500,000 amount, do you think it's likely that it will be readjudicated to a different amount?
Yeah, like I said, I don't know enough about it.
Okay.
And it could go either way, but he's sitting with it's definitely sounds like he's in a better position than the county in this lawsuit.
It does.
So,
okay. So. And the jury seemed to agree?
Yeah.